She's worn out, just having a bit of chill out time. Badgie versus a fox. No animals were hurt, but it's just interesting how they both react towards each other. An impromptu moment, really. So Badgie, my dog, which is a Patterdale Terrier, they were bred for hunting and dispatching red foxes in the Rocky Fells all around the Lake District, where your traditional digging dog was not always the greatest of use. They were also used to control badgers as well some years ago. The Patterdale made its way to the United States, where it was used for groundhog and to hunt raccoons, foxes, with great success. The Patterdale is an English breed descending from the Northern Terrier breeds. The origins of the breed can be traced back to the Lake District, specifically to Ullswater hunt master Joe Bowman, an early Border Terrier breeder.
Come here, Badge. Come here. Badgie, come here. Badgie, come here.
This breed was developed in a harsh environment in the north of England, an area unsuitable for arable farming and too hilly for cattle. Sheep farming is the predominant farming activity on these hills. The fox is perceived by the farmers as being predatory with respect to sheep and small farm animals, so the terriers are used for predator control in a sense. Unlike the dirt dens found in the hunt country of the south, the rocky dens found in the north don't allow for much digging, so as a consequence the terrier needs to be able to bolt the fox from the rocks and the crevices, or dispatch it where it's found.
Badgie, come on.
The use of hard dogs to hunt foxes in this way was made illegal in England and Wales by the Hunting Act in 2004. This type of terrier is known as being a working dog rather than a show dog. They're very energetic and can be difficult to socialise. Because they're bred for high intensity work, they may tend towards being too energetic for sedentary household life. But I've got to say, I've never really found that with Badger. She can chill when she needs to chill, but she does need exercise, like all dogs do. And she's great with other dogs and great with children and all family members, really. She's never bitten anybody or anything, to tell you the truth.
Come on, Badge. Badgie, come here. Come here. Come here, Badge. Come here now, good girl, come here.